This nice fellow owns a shoe store. He lives well, he earns money, and he has money, but he wants more. He wants to establish a chain of shoe stores all over the world. But establishing an international chain costs a lot of money, millions, and he doesn't have that much money. And even if he had it, he doesn't want to lose it. He also doesn't want to risk his money. He could go to the bank, get a loan, but the loan needs to be repaid. And he would have to repay it even if he doesn't succeed. Not only repay the loan, he would have to repay it with interest because the bank is no fool. So instead of a loan, he wants everyone to hear about his company and want to invest in it.
I have a dream today.
He wants to tell them, buy from me a part of my company right now. And when my company grows, you will earn a lot of money. You will have so much money that you will be able to swim in money thanks to your investment in me and my company. And therefore, he needs to raise money on the stock exchange. And if you want to know what the stock exchange is, how to invest in the stock exchange, how to profit from the stock exchange, and why you should know this, come to the workshop. It will be interesting and also fun. We'll also learn how it started and how it looks today. What is supply and demand? How is all this connected to Christopher Columbus? Who is this wise man, and what can we learn from him? Come to the workshop.